In the world of forestry and wood processing, machinery is everything. It's the driving force behind faster, safer, and more efficient wood production. Imagine trying to cut through a forest with just a chainsaw. Sounds like a horror story, right? Luckily, we have machines that make those tasks as easy as slicing through butter. Whether it's cutting, chipping, splitting, or shaping, today's forestry machines are making huge strides in both performance and safety. Let's dive into the heavy hitters in the field and uncover how they're transforming the industry. Number 7. Marshall Tree Saw, a hydraulic marvel. The Marshall Tree Saw is a game changer for forestry professionals. This hydraulic tree saw stands out due to its exceptional versatility, enabling operators to cut through trees with ease. The saw is designed to operate efficiently, even in tough environments, where rocks and dirt are common obstacles. One of the standout features is its ability to clear vast areas quickly, with the hydraulic-powered saw allowing operators to fell hundreds of trees in just an hour. The 1600 version of this saw is equipped with a 41-centimeter blade, which ensures that even the largest trees can be cut swiftly. Moreover, the hydraulic system allows for operations below ground level, which is ideal for cutting down large trees. Its user-friendly design ensures that it can be mounted on various loaders, including those from trusted brands like John Deere, making it incredibly adaptable and easy to use in different forestry setups. Number 6. Moorbark PSB Pole Peeler. Peeling poles like a pro. If you've ever wondered how utility poles get their clean, bark-free surface, wonder no more. The Moorbark PSB Pole Peeler is here to answer that question with style. This machine is built to efficiently peel poles and posts, whether they're used for construction, fencing, or utility work. With sharp, rotating blades, the PSB ensures a clean and consistent peel every time. It's versatile too, as you can adjust the peeling depth and speed to suit different types of wood. So, next time you see a pole that's perfectly peeled, you'll know it's the Moorbark PSB Pole Peeler doing its thing. Number 5. Spalfix K Vario, the future of wood splitting automation. For high-volume wood splitting, the Spalfix K Vario from Austria is leading the charge in automation. This machine is designed to autonomously handle the entire wood splitting process, with the operator's primary task being to control the feeding of logs. The Spalfix K Vario utilizes advanced sensors and hydraulic manipulators to ensure smooth operation, even with curved logs. The system's automatic regulation of parameters like speed and depth makes it incredibly efficient and reduces the need for constant adjustments. The machine can be attached to a tractor for increased mobility, making it ideal for various job sites and operational requirements. Number 4. Gens M582D Quad Chipper Truck. Power and efficiency combined. The Gens M582D Quad Chipper Truck is designed for those heavy-duty wood chipping and transportation tasks that require high capacity and reliability. Known for its robust drum chipping system, the M582EQ can handle large logs and branches with ease, turning them into high-quality wood chips. This powerful machine is highly efficient, ensuring that wood chips are consistently produced without wasting energy. With its wide feed opening, the Gens chipper truck allows operators to easily load wood waste, while the advanced feeding technology ensures minimal downtime. The chipping machine's design makes it perfect for processing various types of wood material, from small branches to large trunks. This machine is not only efficient, but also saves time and reduces energy consumption, making it an excellent choice for large-scale wood processing tasks. Number 3. Frontier OS31 Sawmill. Portable and powerful. For individuals and small businesses engaged in wood processing and lumber production, the Frontier OS31 Sawmill provides a compact and reliable solution. This portable sawmill is designed to convert logs into high-quality lumber efficiently. Powered by a robust 14 HP gas engine, the OS31 is perfect for both small and medium-sized operations, allowing for a wide variety of cutting tasks. The sawmill is equipped with a cutting system that can handle logs of different sizes, ensuring that each cut is clean and precise. With a cutting capacity of up to 31 inches in diameter and a 21-foot log length, this sawmill is well-suited for both hobbyists and professionals. The built-in track system allows for easy transportation and setup, making it a versatile tool for remote locations. Whether it's for making planks for construction or timber for other uses, the Frontier OS31 is built to deliver top-notch results while offering portability and ease of use. Its user-friendly design and efficient sawmill blade system make it ideal for creating custom lumber and wooden products. With minimal maintenance required, the OS31 allows users to focus on production without constant upkeep. Number 2. Takeuchi TB2150CL with 5UML mulcher head, a forestry revolution. When it comes to land clearing and vegetation management, the Takeuchi TB2150CL with 5UML mulcher head is the beast you need. With a powerful 114 horsepower engine and hydraulic system, this excavator is designed for tough jobs in challenging conditions. The 5UML mulcher head is the perfect attachment for clearing vegetation up to 50 centimeters in diameter. Together, they offer a powerful and efficient solution for large-scale land clearing. And with the ability to adjust the power based on vegetation density, you get optimal performance every time. It's the ultimate machine for tackling the wild outdoors. The TB2150CL's advanced hydraulic system ensures maximum efficiency, delivering high flow capabilities to power attachments like the mulcher head with ease. Weighing in at around 14,500 kilograms, this heavy-duty machine offers excellent stability and traction, even on rough, uneven terrains. Additionally, the mulcher head is designed with a carbide-tipped rotor that provides enhanced durability and longevity, even when cutting through dense brush or thick timber. With its adjustable angle, the mulcher allows for precise cutting and shredding, improving overall land management and reducing time spent on clearing. The TB2150CL is also equipped with a comfortable, ergonomic cabin to enhance operator efficiency during long hours of operation. Number 1. PrimeTech PD300 with 5200. Advanced mulching technology for large-scale projects. For even larger forestry and land clearing projects, the PrimeTech PD300 with 5200 is a highly capable tracked vehicle equipped with a powerful 275 horsepower engine. The machine is designed to handle large trees and brush, making it a reliable solution for large-scale vegetation management. With its heavy-duty mulcher head, the PD300 efficiently shreds trees and brush up to 25 centimeters in diameter. The machine's advanced hydraulic system provides excellent traction and stability, allowing it to perform well on uneven ground and challenging terrain. This mulcher is a versatile and reliable solution for large-scale land clearing projects. Well, folks, that's a wrap on today's heavy-duty machinery tour. If you enjoyed watching these machines crush it, literally, hit that like button like it's a log being split in half. Don't forget to subscribe because you won't want to miss more gear that'll make you want to put on a hard hat just to watch. Catch you next time. Keep building, keep splitting, and stay awesome.